Wala pa na, oy. Nawa. I'll show you how to cook corn rice. First, you boil water, and then itakos-takos, then okay.
Ano ito luwag kami?
Luwag.
Tubig na. Ikuan ni.
Then mix.
Wala gini ka bukal mo. Wala gini bukal lang kuan. Uy, klaro yung ilaw ganina.
Bukal ganina, lugay man kayo.
Then add water. Kay nakuwangan gamay. Then add a little water. Then mix after add water again. Hot water. Kana, lupa na. Lupa do. Mga pila na ka minute okay.
Sakto na, gila.
Mga pila na ka minute okay. Then finish. Then close the takob. Close the door. Then lock the door. Open the door. Then after that, let's wait mga 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Then let's eat. Okay. That portion brought you by Aldrin and Teresa Store, followed by GR and kisama na. Oh, China. What? And ano ni? Crow. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching on YouTube. See you next time. Bye-bye.